Hello, welcome to my nature show. Today, we're going to talk about the Naturemobile. Ooh, look at that. This is what I use to get on all my naturing adventures. I have friends. This is Polly Penguin, probably Polly Penguin. I don't know. He doesn't talk, so I'm gonna guess his name's Polly Penguin. This is Charles. He's a little grumpy. And then the goose. That's my goose. And I'm very organized. That's all the time we have for today. Thanks for checking out the Naturemobile with me. Okay, bye.